Good day and welcome to my AutoCAD class. Today we are going to be working on objects and writing, how you can write on an object and engrave it and also extrude it and make it embossed. So let's go ahead and I'm going to use the cylinder to do this because I'm also going to just have the letter hanging on its own. So let's take it to Southwest isometry. Once we're in Southwest isometry, let's go to the primitives and pick cylinder. Now it's asking me to specify a center point. I'll click anywhere. Radius, I'll use radius of 50. Then height, I'll put a height of, let me just use 50 for my height. Now I want to write on this object, emboss it and engrave it. Then I'll still have just simple one outside. But maybe probably I'll just take it to 3D printer and print it out. So let's do the one of engraving. Okay, let's do the write up. So I'm going to take it to front. Then I'll just rule a line from the bottom of the cylinder to the top. This is actually to just guide me in my lettering. Then I'll offset it. Let me use 40, offset distance 40. So click and move this way. So this is my line. Then I'll now go ahead and go to annotate in my ribbon, then select multi-line, come to this middle, just drag because I want to write across. Now, I'm a mechanical engineer and I love the profession. And I'm also into design. I'm also automobile. So I'll just type mechanical engineer or just type mechanical, right? In capital letter. Could I just say mechanical? Okay. Okay. All right. Spelling issue. Mechanical. Let's say mechanical engineering. Now, I'm going to change my fonts. Let me take it to a non-solid font. Let's say this justification, this text. Let me see. I want to change my font. Yep. Let me change my font. Okay. Okay. I want to change the font to something solid. Then I'll probably just increase the size. Let me take it to 6 and see. All right. So now I will just drag. I wanted it to spread. Okay, and maybe I'll just reduce to 5. Font to 5. Yes, I want it to be inside. Now, once you're done with this, the next thing we're going to do, we're going to explode text. So just type TXTEOXP, enter. Explode text. I'll select the text, right click, it's exploded. Then I'll come to home. I'll come to draw. I can pick region, or I'll just come to draw in the menu bar, come to region, select region, and sorry, I want it to cover the text region. Now, you can see some lines as if it's broken inside. This time I'm going to pick on union. I'll union them together. Union. Now, fine. So this time I have a solid update per se. I'll take it now to Southwest isometry. So you can see the write-up is a little far away, but I still have my number there. So I'll just select it, right click and move it because I want it inside. Pick it from here and take it to this line. So it's inside. Now I'm going to extrude so that I'll bring it out. Extrude, I'll select the front, right click, enter. So I'll just bring it out. I just want it to come out. So let me just say 100. Okay. Now, Next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to union them together. So okay, let me turn it in a way where I can actually have a graph of all of them. So I've unioned it. Now, let's take it back to Southwest isometry. I'll just select, right click and copy selection. I'll drop three of them because I want to do three things out of it. Now, next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to draw another cylinder inside here. This one was, let me draw another cylinder. This was, okay. Now you can see the orientation has changed just because my user coordinate system is not in world coordinate system. So I just press escape. Then I'll come to the coordinate and select world coordinate system. I'll draw my cylinder again. Now, my first cylinder was 50. This, I want to do an engraving method. I want it to engrave to a particular distance inside the cylinder. So this time, I'm going to take the cylinder to be, let's say, to have a thickness of 4. So it will be 46 radius. Now, I don't necessarily need height. It can just go through. Or let me just stop. Let it be the same height. So now, what I'm going to do now, I'm going to subtract. I'm going to subtract the cylinder, the inner cylinder from this, my mechanical engineering lettering. So I'll come to subtract, select the lettering, right click, then select the cylinder. But you see now, it has cut it to form the shape round. Let me turn and see. Okay. Wow. Wow. We can see the way that is. Okay, fine. That was because my lettering was quite long and it was not actually centralized as far in the middle, because you realize that I started from a 40 distance and by lettering extended beyond the mark of the other 40. So, but all the same, let's just see the beauty of what I want to do. Then I will now subtract. So subtract again, let the cylinder stay, right click, select this. Oh, wow. Let's see what I've done. Let's take it to realistic view. You can see mechanical engineering is engraved on it. Mechanical engineering is engraved on the cylinder. Now, I want to do the one that is extruded. So for the one that is going to extrude out, protrude out, so let's take it back to the wireframe. This time I'll draw a bigger cylinder, right? I'll draw a bigger cylinder. Select, I'll come back here. This time this was 50. I want thickness of 4. So this time my radius will now be 54. Enter, I'll just drag it down. So this time, what I'm going to do now, right now, what I need to do now is to uh, do intersect so that only this will remain with the embossed. Let's see how that will look like. If I select intersect, I'll select the bigger cylinder, select this, right click, yes. Intersect, that's the only thing remaining, it's protruding out. Then the next thing I'm going to do now, I'm going to union it with the cylinder. So now I'll come to union, select the cylinder and select the right up. You see this is embossed. So let's take it to realistic view and see. You can see mechanical engineering coming out embossed on it. Now, to just write mechanical engineering out like that, to just stand on its own, stand alone, without the cylinder, but it will be curved. So let's take it back to the wireframe. This time, what I'm going to do, I'm going to draw another cylinder. Now, I'll draw a cylinder, let it be smaller, still 46. Enter, let it go down. This time, I want to see the easiest way to go so that we'll have a grasp of it. Now, I am going to probably do this. Subtract the bigger cylinder, the smaller cylinder from the bigger. So select this first, right click, select this, subtract. Then I'll now do intersect. Select this and select this, intersect, right click. Wow, what is happening? Is it that they are not touching? So this is, let me see what is actually going on. Okay, let's see. Why is it not doing what I want it to do? Probably, let's see if they are touching each other properly. They are. Okay, now let me let me do let me undo, or probably instead of undoing, I will just draw another cylinder of 46. Enter and let it go through. Then I'll subtract the cylinder from the right up. You see I have the curve. Now let me try that intersect again and see what will happen. Wow, fine, I've gotten it out. This is a stand alone. So let's take it to realistic view so that we'll see what I have done. Yes, you can see mechanical engineering on its own trying to follow the curve. You can see it here. It is embossed coming out on the wall, and you can see it on this engraved as if it's inside, dog inside. Thank you very much, and please subscribe to my channel so that when I make new videos you will see it. Thank you, and thank you.